Hello friends, once again all of you are welcome in the lecture of English grammar by SK sir. In today's lecture we are going to cover the topic of compound words. First of all, let's we have a definition of words. What the definition of word is telling? Letters or alphabets form the words. We have one more definition. A word is a speech sound or a combination of sounds or its representation in writing that symbolizes and communicate a meaning, and any consist of a single morpheme or a combination of morphemes. Next, now by the words, I think it is clear, will be more clear about the compound words. What are the compound words? Compound words are formed when two or more words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. Basically, compound words are of three types. The first one, closed compound words. Second, open compound words. And the third one is the hyphenated compound words. Now we will discuss all the three subtypes of compound words separately. The first one is the closed compound words. They are formed when two unique words are joined together. They don't have a space between them. From the definition, it is very clear to all of you what are the closed compound words. We have an example for this one. Cannot, fireworks, moonlight, sunflower. Now the second type of compound word is a open compound words. They have a space between the words, but when they are read together, a new meaning is formed. Almost the concept of open word is clear from the definition. We have example for this one. For the open compound words, ice cream, real estate, post office, middle class. Now the last type of compound words, it is the hyphenated compound words. As they are named, they are connected by a hyphen. By the definition itself, it is very clear that what are the hyphenated compound words. We have example for this one. Mass produced, one third, well-being, mother-in-law. By the example, it is clear that the hyphen is used between the compound words. We have some notes regarding the compound words. To avoid confusion, modifying compounds are often hyphenated, especially when they precede a noun. When precede a noun, that means they are coming before a noun. When they come after the noun, they are open compounds. That means as per the position, the meaning and the use of the compound word is changed. For example, we have part-time teacher, high-speed chase, 50-yard dash. As the teacher is a noun, before it is coming that hyphenated is word, and after that it is acting as a open compound words. One more note is there. Comparative and superlative adjectives are hyphenated when they are compounded with other modifiers. We have the example, the highest priced computer, lower priced car. I think it is very clear to all of you. One more notice there, adverbs that end in dash ly and compound with another modifier are not modified. A highly, here highly is the adverb. Now the first example is a highly rated restaurant. The second one is a publicly is here acting as a adverb. A publicly held meeting. Now it is seems that from this slides and lecture, the topic of the compound words is clear to all of you. That's all in the today's lecture. Thanks to all of you, and then last I will request all of you to just subscribe this channel. Hopes for the best. All the best.